In this demo, we will cover the installation and configuration of the Progressus Field Service Integration app. We will list the prerequisites and steps to follow to integrate Progressus to Dynamics 365 Business Central Field Service. The steps to enable the Progressus Field Service Integration app are listed here. These steps will be covered in greater detail in this video. To begin, request a download of the Progressus Field Service Integration app. Once the request is approved, a link to download the file will be provided. You can request the app file by either clicking the provided link or scanning the QR code. Simply complete and submit the request form, and once it's approved, you'll receive an email with a download link sent to the email address you provided. Complete all fields in the Progressus online request form. For option number 6, click the resource dropdown and select Progressus Field Service App Files. Click the Submit button, and the request will be routed for approval. Once approved by the Progressus team, you will receive an email with a link to download the Progressus Field Service Integration app. Here is an example email you will receive when the request is approved. When you receive the email, click the highlighted link, which will start the download of the extension file. Next, return to Business Central, search for Extension Management, and click the related link to open it. Click on Manage from the ribbon. Then click on Upload Extension. The Upload and Deploy Extension page opens. Click the ellipse in the Select App File field to navigate to the Progressus Field Service Integration app that was downloaded. Click to set the Boolean to True on this field to agree to the terms and conditions. In Extension Management, after the deploy process completes successfully, the Field Service EXTPGS extension file will show as installed. Next, search for Dynamics 365 Field Service Integration Setup and select the related link. When the extension deployment is successfully completed, the Progressus timesheet fields are added to the Dynamics 365 Field Service Integration Setup page. The next section will explore the resources available for learning how to use Power Platform to set up the Dataverse environment. In this section, we will go through the steps to run the assisted setup in Business Central to connect to Dataverse. Use the search function to search for assisted setup. Next, from the list, click Set up a connection to Dataverse. Click Enable Data Synchronization, which facilitates the transfer of information between a source application, such as Dynamics 365 Business Central, and Dataverse. This synchronization can be scheduled to occur automatically at regular intervals or triggered by specific jobs. The Enable Virtual Tables and Events option must be activated. This ensures seamless access to and utilization of external data within your Dataverse environment. Click the I accept Boolean to accept the Dataverse terms and conditions. Copy and paste the URL of the Dataverse environment from Power Platform, as shown in the following steps, and then click the link for Sign in with Administrator User. Next, we will proceed with the assisted setup for both Dynamics 365 Sales and Dynamics 365 Field Service. The next step is to complete the assisted setup for Dynamics 365 Sales. Search for Assisted Setup and select the related link. Copy and paste the Dataverse environment URL from Power Platform into the Dynamics 365 Sales Integration Setup page. In this step, we will use the assisted setup to install the Dynamics 365 Field Service Integration app. Click Install Field Service Integration app. You are directed to the Microsoft App Source listing for Field Service. Click on Get It Now to start the process. Enter work or school account login credentials, the same as Power Platform, and click Sign In. Click on Finish, and the Dynamics 365 Sales and Field Service Integration apps are installed. The following section walks through the steps to configure the Dynamics 365 Sales Integration Setup page and the Dynamics 365 Field Service Integration Setup page. Use the search feature to locate Dynamics 365 Sales Integration Setup and click the related link. Select the enabled Boolean to activate the connection. Click on Test Connection to ensure the connection is established and working as expected. Next, we'll navigate to the Dynamics 365 Field Service Integration Setup page and test the connection there too. Search for Dynamics 365 Field Service Integration Setup and select the related link. Click on the Enable Progressus Integration Boolean to set it to True. Click on Test Connection to ensure the connection is established and working as expected. With this final step, the Progressus Field Service Integration app is now configured and ready to go. Thank you for watching this demo on installing and configuring the Progressus Field Service Integration app. For more information on this topic, scan the QR codes below.